Highway broken down. Thought I'd pull over and help you out. Halfway nowhere. What you doing here? In these silence all by yourself. I know this feeling. We could fly together. Here go my hopes up through the stormy weather. I've had the same dream, making the same call.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig. This wig is from Hairsmarket. We have an affordable option for you that you can save some coins on but still look cute. This is the 26-inch straight 4x4 lace closure wig. I'm going to leave all the information for Hairsmarket in the description box for you guys if you want to check them out.
Seems like insanity. Set myself up to fall. I'm trying to learn from all of these mistakes. I'm trying to lock my heart before I break. No matter all the twists and turns we make, still the same thing. It's the same thing. Oh, so look me in the eyes and say out loud. 'Cause life is short and we ain't got no doubt. Don't set me up 'cause you feeling too proud. It's the same thing. Still the same thing. Yeah. Still the same thing. Yeah. Still the same thing. Yeah. Still the same thing.
You got me in my feelings. You got me in my feelings.
I know this feeling. We could fly together. Here go my hopes up through the stormy weather. I've had the same dream, making the same call. Seems like insanity. Set myself up to fall. I'm trying to learn from all of these mistakes. I'm trying to lock my heart before I break. No matter all the twists and turns we make, still the same thing. It's the same thing. Oh, so look me in the eyes and say out loud. 'Cause life is short and we ain't got no doubt. Don't set me up 'cause you feeling too proud. It's the same thing. Still the same thing. Yeah. Still the same thing, yeah. Still the same thing, yeah. Still the same thing,
I did decide to go with a side part today because I was just feeling that type of way. So for today's install, it was really simple. This was a fresh out the box, fresh out the bag install. I just put it on my head and secured it with some hairspray, and that was it. We did not do any plucking really. We just did the smallest amount. I wouldn't even call that plucking what I did earlier because I really don't even know if I actually did anything. I just literally just like softened up that hairline because it was looking very straight. Like the side looks very straight. So ideally I would have liked to just do a little bit more. Just to soften it up. So that's looking much better. I did find the lace pretty light on this unit, so I did have to go in with some powder to help disguise that and also cover up the knots. But I'm not mad at it at all. So the only thing I would say should definitely be improved is the density. The density is quite thin. It's classified as 150% density. I don't know, it's pretty thin for me. This hair is really cheap, you guys, so that might be why you're not spending a lot of money. So this wig is going for $189 in the 26-inch. So that's pretty much a steal of a deal. Like, that's really cheap, you guys. And the hair feels great. Definitely 26 inches. It's hitting me here. So it's definitely hitting me where it needs to hit. But I love how the wig fits. It's very comfortable on the head and it does fit pretty snugly. So this would be a really good back to school wig because it's so cheap. If you guys are going back to school and you want some long hair, but you don't want to pay an arm and a leg, because I know how expensive it gets. Like, school is expensive. This is a great option because you have the length, you have the softness. It looks like and feels like good quality, but you have the cheap price range. So that is definitely a win-win for me. I would say I definitely recommend it for the price range. So you guys should definitely check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information to Hairsmarket in the description box for you guys. The bag, it does say wholesale and drop shipping. So, you know, if you guys are interested in like starting a wig company or something like that, that might be a good option to check them out because they obviously offer really affordable prices for everyone and still offer you pretty decent hair. So you cannot go wrong with that. I think she looks really cute. I'm definitely feeling her with the little Komodo that I have going. I'm loving it. I wore this robe for my husband. He got it for me and he loves like this sort of thing. So if you're watching this, babe, this is for you. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you in another video real soon. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye for now.